Hey guys, today we are going to discuss the admission process for IIM Bangalore, and we will talk about the course that they offer, the cutoffs, the selection process, and the scoring system that they use, along with the timeline for the entire admission process. So let's get started. Talking about the course, they offer a PGP course for which the domestic students need to appear for the CAT exam, and for the international students they need to appear for the GMAT exam. The general eligibility criteria is 50% you need to score in your degree or equivalent CGPA, and for the SC/ST or physically handicapped students it is 45%. The entire admission process happens in two phases, that is the phase 1 and the phase 2. We'll see ahead what is it exactly in detail. Talking about the selection process, it's quite straightforward. You need to give the CAT or GMAT exam. Basis the score in these exams, you'll be shortlisted for the phase 1. If you get a call, you'll have to appear for the written ability test plus the personal interview, and then you'll be scored on that. Basis that and the cumulative score, you'll enter into the phase 2, and basis your score in phase 2, you'll get the final selection. Let us look at the phase 1 in more detail. Talking about the cutoffs in the phase 1, as you can see on the screen, section wise and an aggregate cutoff is mentioned for various categories, that is general, OBC, SC/ST and physical handicap. You need to clear the cutoff of individual sections as well as the aggregate cutoff. Only then you will be called for the phase 1 written ability test and PI round. For the phase 1, this is the weightage that they consider of different parameters. That is, for CAT you have a 40% weightage, of which each section 14 plus 16 plus 10 is mentioned on the screen. 10 standard 20 marks are allocated. For 12 standard 10 marks are allocated. For your bachelor's degree another 20 marks are allocated. Gender diversity is only restricted for the first round. So here 2 marks are allocated for gender diversity, and work experience 8 marks. Well, when you are being shortlisted for the PI round, when you get a call, these are the factors that they consider while giving you a call. So firstly, your work experience or a professional course. Professional course includes CA and CS, that is company secretary. Apart from that, your CAT score, your 10th, 12th, your bachelor's degree score, and as well as your gender diversity score will be considered. Once you're done with the written ability test and the PI, the phase 1 ends and you enter into the phase 2. So let's look at it in more detail. So here your marks from your PI and WAT round are considered, along with the previous parameters that we had seen. Here the interviewers, basically during your round, they check your motivation and whether you are a fit for the entire PGP course that they are offering. Okay. For the personal interview, if there are 2 panelists, then the average score of both the panelists' score will be considered. In WAT, the score given by the independent evaluator will be considered. Okay, talking about the weightage in this phase 2, you can see CAT has got 25 marks, 10th has got 10 marks, 12th has got 5 marks, your bachelor's degree has got 10 marks, your VAT has got 10 marks, and your PI has got 30 marks. And basis this, again a formula is used to calculate your weighted work experience, for which 10 marks are given. You can look at the formula. We have given a link in the description, using which you can go to the IIM Bangalore website and look at the various formulas that they have used. Okay, talking about the general timelines, the CAT exam usually happens in November-December. The results are out by January. You'll get a call in the month of January itself, and the entire process happens in the month of February to March. After which the final results are out and the college starts. That's it for today. We have given a link to the official website of IIM Bangalore in the description below, which gives you the detailed explanation of the entire selection process. If you want help with your GDPI preparation or with your preparation for the exams, then we have a lot of online material and videos available. We have given a link in the description below, using which you can enroll for the course. Until next time, all the best and keep preparing.